Alright guys, as you might have seen in the last time I had the video out of the UDR, the rear half shaft snapped off and snapped clean in the middle somehow, and my UDR lost a wheel, so I didn't really get a shot of it. But today I'm going to take it around the track that I took the Mojave around in the Notorious in a couple of videos, get some laps of it and see how it goes. Hopefully everything will hold up, but I think traxxas should change their motto. Instead of being the fastest name in radio controlled and is to traxxas 60% of the time, it works every time, because that's kind of the way it seems to go with this car. But hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the next time. Bye. Alright guys, that's me done. UDR held up absolutely amazing there, so it seems like all the problems for now are solved. I was going to do a bit more of a video on what I've done. I was going to get my drone up in the air and things and get some airborne shots, but it's been pretty windy and it's starting to rain just now, so I'm going to head it down the road. But I hope you enjoyed that little video of the UDR. So I'm just happy it's up and running again, so I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.